Hello, the next book I've got to show you is the brilliant Farmyard Tales Poppy and Sam's Wind Up Tractor book with model tractor and 3 tracks. Now I'm holding the tractor because I've already rounded it up because I wouldn't be able to do that one-handed, but he does come in this gap here with the plastic over the top. As you can see, it's a huge book. So let's open it up. I can do that with one hand and have a look through. It tells you all about it. It's got pop-out pieces to go onto your track as well. There, so there's the story. There are your pop-out pieces. They just pop back in again when you've finished. And here is one of the tracks. So I'm going to show you how your tractor goes around the track. Just like so. Get that bit twisted around there when he went round the corner. Just like that. Okay. Now here's another story. And some more pop-out pieces that coincide with that story. And you would put those pieces on the snow track. And then obviously the tractor goes on there as well, the same as it did before. And another story. And those pieces. And the track that goes with that story. Overall, it's a very lovely book. Little children will love playing with that book. Very, very nice. I'll put it all back together. I'm going to turn it over and show you the back. There we go. It says this delightful interactive book has stories to read, stand-up models and a tractor to play with. Very, very nice book. And you can scan the QR code on the back to see the video. That shows you how big it is. Oh, the tractor's making noises. There we go. Very popular book. Very, very good for keeping those children entertained. Thank you very much. Goodbye.